Here, as you see, it's outside. And I don't know if you can see it in this video here, but if we move over here, we can actually see.
Crank it a little. Well, let me get that over here. Now I'll go back and forth.
Still. So we have the entire bed moving here, at least 1/8 of an inch, if not 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah, probably
the whole back.
Yeah, and I mean, you should probably look back here to the back also.
That corner, Steve, you can watch it. This one right here.
Go straight in at the way. Go around the back side. Stand back by that cord.
Let me get it.
Look straight in at the way. Right. Right underneath this cover.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
There we go.
So we've got the whole thing, and this entire thing is moving up and down. So the bed isn't even secure on the machine. At least 1/8 inch of play in there.
You'll hear a grinding something using the whole grinder, and that thing kicked up 20 thousandths or whatever. That could be catastrophic.